All right, in this video, we are going to go ahead and install the Shine On app, and then I will do a quick overview of the Shine On app and upload a product so that A, you can see how that works if you're brand new to this, and B, so that we have something to work with for the remainder of our time together in this section. You're going to go to apps. So you're on the admin, and then over on the left side, you click apps, and then you're going to search. We don't have any installed apps. Guess this? No. Customize our store? I guess so. Customize our store. They keep changing like how stuff is laid out. So they just went through another overhaul. So if you want to get here directly instead of trying to hunt like I just did, it's apps.shopify.com, and then you will search Shine On. Here is Shine On, and you will click it and add our app. Okay, and then you'll click Install App. Whoa. You don't have an account, you can register for one. I do have an account, so I'm logging in. Here is the app. Okay. So this is showing on a different store. So unfortunately, part of you won't have to deal with this because you don't have multiple Shine On stores. But sometimes when our system will cache, or like the web browser will cache, and it'll be like, oh, you're here and not here. So that's why it's showing up for a different store for me. So let's see if I do this again. My app is there, and let's see if I load it, if it'll show Jim's awesome gifts. It's thinking about it. All right, so once it loaded, it shows this because I've never published a product before. And I think my issue was I got impatient where it says like log in. Once I let it run for a few extra seconds, it went ahead and got me into this. So be patient. Once you install the Shine On app, where it says, you know, log in or whatever, just let that sit because the program is still running in the background, and then it'll go to this screen. So it's like upload your message card design, or I can skip and go to dashboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip. Actually, I guess, yeah, I'll skip. I'll skip it for now. I'll do the tour, and then we'll add a product together at the end of this video. Skip and go to dashboard. So Jim's Awesome Gift. So that's the right store. That's good. And you got to make sure that you have your payment settings set up on Shine On themselves. So you'll click on that and add your payment area. So this filled out all this information and then add a payment method. If you don't add a payment method and you get sales, we won't produce them because we won't be able to charge our wholesale cost to you guys. So make sure that you have a card on file or a PayPal so that we can collect payment and get your stuff shipped out. Dashboard analytics is, you know, but it sounds like it's just an analytics thing, and it's pretty cool, and it shows all kinds of data for you. Products is a good one that'll show all the products that you have published. If you click here, here's our catalog if you want to see them. This little plus button or this plus button up here for create new, that shows, that's how you add a new product, and you can see pricing, availability, and catalog and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and add a new product. And I'm going to add this one, and I want to actually add that particular necklace because I like it. So here is our necklace. And now you add your message card, which again should be either in PNG or JPEG format. Should be at least 1,000 by 1,000, so square and pretty big. Max size is 5 megabytes. When I produce my message cards, I usually do 1,000 by 1,000, but I make them 300 DPI so that they're nice and high quality and ready for print. So again, it's the same type of thing with Shine On as it is with Shopify. You can either click select from it, or you can click and drag. So I have one that I was working up a little while ago for a talk I was doing. So I'll just add this one to show you, and we can use this as an example. So add your message card, continue to product assets. You'll name it. Naming convention for me is typically I choose, I think I chose the wrong image because yeah, you can see there's a picture of the necklace in the necklace. So let's choose the right picture. Here, and then this is it, just the message card itself. Apologies on that. It looks better. Okay. So my naming convention, I usually call out the whoever it's to first. So like that's the niche that it's in. To granddaughter, to daughter, to mom, to son, to husband, to best friend, to soulmate, to bridesmaid, you know, whatever it is, that I usually call out in the, you don't have to. It's just because we end up having a lot of different products and a lot of different niches. It's a way for me to organize it. Plus, it does give a little bit of an SEO bump because you're calling out a keyword that someone would be like gift for granddaughter. So granddaughter, and then I usually take something from the phrase itself or something from the design as a unique identifier. So granddaughter, and then we'll call this most beautiful chapter of my life's most beautiful chapter. Okay. And then this is the default product description, which we've added for you guys, and it's really good. So I would continue to use that. Our pricing model, our MSSPs, for the newer products, I would keep them. So for white, gold, standard box, I would do somewhere between 59 and 69. So I'll leave that here. And then I add $20 to $30 for gold. And then for an upgrade to the luxury box, we always add $20 to whatever the standard box price is. So that's why you see the pricing the way it is. And now we'll publish product. And once you publish the product, this is publishing it on your Shopify store for you. Takes a little bit. I don't know what's going on today. Things are a little slower than they normally would be. I don't know if it's my computer or if our admin's just bogged down or something. Shannon is adding a lightning fast conversion tested product page to your theme that supports buyer custom personalizations like engraving. Cool. Okay. So that's our, like I said, we always do like split testing, and we test for all kinds of stuff, and we'll always update our default page themes, product themes for you guys as we find new stuff. All right. The other thing you would want to do here before you just end and go back to Shopify and add your stuff there is you'll want to add some of your own images. These ones are good, but you may find something that catches your eye more. So I would recommend, we have a ton of renders available to you guys for free in nearly an instant. So I would go through and I would load more, and I would pick out whichever ones really catch my eye. So with that said, I'm not going to do that right now, just because it's kind of beyond the scope of what we're trying to show, is to just really how do you publish a product? What's it look like in Shopify once it's in there? So we've now done that. So once you add the images, those images will be in here, and then they will also automatically publish to the Shopify product listing too. So we'll go over here and we'll go products, and we'll just verify that we now have 2 products in here. Package protection is an awesome upsell to have in your cart. It is very, very good idea to do that. I highly recommend it. So yeah, so that is that, and we've done that, and then we'll go into customizing theme in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.